This is one of the question asked by UPSC in the year 2020. The question is a 10 marker, okay, so which I have to write in 150 words. The question says, what according to Husserl is wrong with psychologism? How does Husserl address the problem of psychologism with his phenomenological method? Okay. So in the introduction, you will start with what? You will start with not phenomenological method, जैसे कि बहुत बच्चे start करते हैं. You will start with psychologism. कि what is psychologism? So psychologism is an approach through which we try to derive the principles of logic and philosophy from the psychological approach. ये हुसरल ने भी अपनी फिलॉसफी के अंदर एक टेंडेंसी शो करी थी व्हेन हुसरल रोट अ बुक. सबसे पहले तो ये लिखेंगे कि साइकोलॉजिज्म क्या है. इट इज़ अ टेंडेंसी टू इंटरप्रेट इवेंट्स और आर्ग्यूमेंट्स इन सब्जेक्टिव टर्म्स इन एंड वी सॉर्ट ऑफ associate psychological factor in studying anything. So this is psychologism. Husserl himself was under the psychologism approach when he wrote a book named Philosophy of Arithmetic. Philosophy of Arithmetic में हुसरल ने क्या किया? हुसरल tried to derive the principles of logic, mathematics from psychological analysis. जैसे कि कंपेयरिंग, कंबाइनिंग, काउंटिंग, ये सब क्या है? साइकोलॉजिकल प्रोसेसेस है. इसके थ्रू ही डिराइव्ड द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ लॉजिक. दिस approach of Husserl was criticized by Gottlob Frege. When Frege reviewed this philosophy of arithmetic, he actually found a lot of problems. The biggest problem was the psychological approach, the psychologism of Husserl to deduce the logic and mathematics from psychological approach. So this was criticized by Frege. After a point of time, Husserl himself realized the mistakes that if I cling to psychologism, it will lead to relativism, subjectivism, and skepticism actually. Because in psychologism, every person has different psychological factors. So all will arrive at a different notion of truths. So this approach was criticized. So how will you introduce? You will introduce with psychologism. Then Husserl's own book, Philosophy of Arithmetic, that he wrote, which got criticized by Frege, and Husserl actually realized the mistake and he understood that there is a problem with this approach. So then Husserl wrote another book called Logical Investigation. In Logical Investigation, he showed that the psychological approach has very limitations. Psychologism cannot be applied in philosophy because philosophy wants truth which are apodictic in nature. So there are three kinds of truths: assertoric, problematic, and apodictic. Assertoric means what is the case, which asserts what is the case. Problematic, which asserts what may be the case. And apodictic, which says with certainty what must be the case. So apodictic truths are those which are universal in nature. Okay, they are fixed, they are absolute, and there is no question over subjectivity, whereas in assertoric and problematic there can be issues. So philosophy में कैसे truths चाहिए which are apodictic in nature. Psychologism approach से नहीं मिलेगा. So Husserl avoids psychologism. Therefore Husserl avoids psychologism. and he avoids it with the help of a new method which is called as phenomenological method. ठीक है, phenomenological method में क्या है, one will get rid of their, it is a presuppositionless philosophy. सबसे पहले तो presuppositionless method of philosophy का inquiry. ठीक है, in presuppositionless method we will get rid of all the naturalistic attitude, the psychological beliefs about a particular object, event or a thing. तो जितने भी हमारे प्री ऑक्यूपाइड नोशंस हैं, प्री ऑक्यूपाइड बिलीफ सिस्टम्स और नोशंस हैं, we have to get rid of it, and we have to start with abject absolute poverty. One has to start with absolute poverty from first person point of view. ठीक है, हमारी जो कॉन्शियसनेस है उसको पूरी तरीके से एब्सोल्यूट पॉवर्टी के साथ क्लीन कर देना है, एंड देन वी स्टार्ट फिलोमोलॉजिकल एनक्वायरी टू नो द ऑब्जेक्ट्स. सो इस अप्रोच से क्या होगा, वॉट एवर विल गेट द एसेंस ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. एसेंस हमको मिलेगा, और एसेंस जो है वो यूनिवर्सल होता है, उसमें कोई सब्जेक्टिविटी नहीं है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कोई साइकोलॉजिस्ट अप्रोच का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है इन द एसेंस दैट वी गेट थ्रू फिनोमेनोलॉजी. सो दिस वाज actually the entire approach of Husserl. So how will you write the answer? You will start with psychologism. Husserl himself, when he was under psychologism approach, then critique by Frege. Then how Husserl avoids this in logical investigation. He says that there are three kinds of truth: assertoric, problematic and apodictic. Philosophy needs apodictic truths. So apodictic truths can be found through a phenomenological inquiry, विच इज़ अ प्री सपोजिशनलेस मेथड. ठीक है, वहाँ पे जो है वो हुसरल जो है वो अपने उसको लेके आता है, और यहाँ पे फिनोमेनोलॉजिकल के अंदर उसके पास 3 मेथड है. एपॉकी सबसे पहले तो, वेर ही डज द ब्रैकेटिंग, देन अ काइंड ऑफ रिडक्शंस ही डज, फिनोमेनोलॉजिकल रिडक्शन, transcendental reduction and eidetic reduction, and through these approach he gets to the pure phenomena. So this is how you have to write this answer. I hope you must have understood the concept and also the content that you have to write in this. And finally you conclude with this, that phenomenological method was revolutionary in the sense that it also inspired the successive philosophers like Sartre and Heidegger to develop the method further. Okay, so this way you can end.